Good day to my future employer. I am Cynthia Aguilar Molina, 45 years old, married. I am currently here in the Philippines. I am college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Finance and Management Accounting. I am applying as domestic helper with 2 years experience from Saudi Arabia. I do child care, housekeeping and cooking. I care two children aged 2 years old and 10 years old, ensuring their safety, bathing, giving them food and vitamins at the right time, and I am always reading storybook and I love them as my own child. Before I work in Saudi Arabia, I took care an 84 bedridden patient. I bath, dress, changing her diaper, maintain personal hygiene. I feed her 5 times until midnight daily. I administer her vitamins and medication. I check her blood pressure and blood sugar every 4 hours and sanitize all utensils and belongings. This lasted for 2 years here in the Philippines. And after I work in Saudi Arabia, I took care of a 77-year-old elderly person. I cook his meals, give him vitamins and medications. I am assisted him morning walks for exercise to strengthen his knees and overall health. This continued for 1 year and 7 months here in the Philippines. And currently, I am caring for 8-month-old infant. I bath, dress, feed, and bottle the baby, administer vitamins, play with him, and put him into sleep. And also, I sanitize all his bottle feeds and toys. I am excited to share how I can contribute to your household, and I am skilled in deeply cleaning, laundrying, ironing clothes, and meal preparations. My previous employer described me as punctual, honest, patient, trustworthy, and proactive. I respect privacy and follows instructions carefully. I hope and pray that you can hire me as your domestic helper, and I do promise to finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you for considering my applications, and I am eager to support your family's needs with dedications and hard working. Thank you and have a blessed day, Mom and Sir.